Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. For today, if you guys saw my last video, I told you guys I ordered my new cold air intake, and here it is. It's by Injen. Here is actually the serial if you want to buy it, SP1835BLK, and it's for 2008 up to I think 2018 Mitsubishi Lancers. Don't quote me on that, but I have a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer ES, and this fits perfectly. If you guys watched my last video, I explained to you guys that these cold air intakes go for about $305 to $350, and I simply got it used for $40 on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm going to go ahead, open up the box, check if everything's there, and I will resume the video. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you for waiting. So I just opened up the box, and I went through the manual, and I made sure everything was here. So every box, if you buy this, it comes with this manual, and it shows you actually how to put it in. I honestly did not know it came with this, but it shows you how to put like every step in. I'll probably still get like my mechanic to do it because I'm not very comfortable putting it in, but I went ahead and everything's here except for the hardware, which, you know, the hardware is very universal. You can get that anywhere, so you can just get it at like a Walmart or something like that. So I'll just show you guys what you guys get. It's that. Oh yeah, and the seller was real nice to send me this. It's a oil filter. He said he got it from Goodwill. Obviously, I don't know if it fits my car, 2009 Lancer, but I will definitely look it up. And actually, let me see. Look at it. But yeah, it seems to be brand new, so that's a plus. I didn't even know that was coming, but I saw that in there. That side, what we have is our big tube here, the inkjet logo there. Needs to be wiped down, but it's black. Everything's black in here. It's not the silver that you see on the box. I guess they have different colors. You have the reusable filter, which needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but I'll get to that. The other tube with the inkjet logo, you can see that. It's actually pretty nice color. Put that to the side. And then I think you get 4 of these, or 5. Okay, there's 3 here. Okay, so you get 4. That you get the oil bracket, this other little tube to hold everything, and then this other piece right here, and then you get like 2 of these roller thingies, and oh, there's a little hardware here, if you can see that. So yeah, that's what you get in this package. Like I said, my previous video, if you watched it, if you go to the direct link, it will tell you that this adds horsepower, 8 or 9 horsepower. I don't know if it says it here. I don't think so. But on the link, I will link it down in the description. If you go to this website, right, I'm trying to do this with one hand, right here. If you go to that website, it will tell you that. And if you just put in that serial color, serial number color, well, it has a color in it, BLK, whatever. If you put that in, it will bring you to this direct link, and it will be like $305 or something like that. I just went to it to check it out. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will be doing not an install video because I don't know how to install it, and I'm probably not going to use this, but I will do a video of it after it's installed, and I'll give you guys some more information on it. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any comments, just comment down below, and if you liked it, just like it, and see you guys in the next video.